Today, we're diving into the ultimate high-performance luxury SUV, the 2027 Audi RS Q8 P900. This beast takes the already aggressive Audi RS Q8 and pushes it to extreme super SUV territory with bold design, insane power, and cutting-edge technology. The P900 badge hints at something serious: massive horsepower, track-ready dynamics, and unmatched road presence. If you love luxury, speed, and dominance in one package, stay with us because this machine redefines what an SUV can truly be. Exterior. The 2027 Audi RS Q8 P900 looks absolutely menacing. Up front, the signature single-frame grille is larger and more aggressive, finished in gloss black with sharp honeycomb detailing. Massive air intakes dominate the front bumper, improving cooling and aerodynamics. The HD Matrix LED headlights are slimmer, sharper, and more futuristic than ever. From the side, the coupe-inspired roofline gives the SUV a sporty silhouette. Wide fender flares emphasize its muscular stance, while forged 23-inch lightweight alloy wheels fill the arches perfectly. Carbon fiber side skirts and mirror caps enhance the performance look. At the rear, a full-width OLED taillight strip creates a bold night signature. A massive carbon fiber diffuser and quad RS exhaust outlets complete the super SUV appearance. The P900 edition also features an active rear spoiler for added downforce at high speeds. Every angle screams power and prestige. Performance. Now let's talk about the heart of this monster. Under the hood, the 2027 RS Q8 P900 is expected to feature an upgraded 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. In the P900 specification, power is rumored to reach around 900 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful luxury SUVs ever built. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, acceleration is brutal. 0 to 100 km/h could happen in under 3 seconds, supercar territory. The top speed is expected to exceed 320 km/h with performance upgrades. Adaptive air suspension with RS-specific tuning keeps the SUV planted during aggressive driving. Active roll stabilization and dynamic all-wheel steering enhance cornering precision, making this large SUV feel surprisingly agile. Carbon ceramic brakes provide extreme stopping power, ensuring confidence at any speed. Interior. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a perfect blend of luxury and sportiness. The cabin is wrapped in premium Valcona leather with contrast stitching and RS embossing. Carbon fiber trim pieces run across the dashboard, center console, and door panels. The RS Sport seats are heavily bolstered, offering comfort during daily driving and support during spirited runs. A flat-bottom RS steering wheel with Alcantara grip enhances the racing feel. The dual touchscreen MMI system provides seamless control of infotainment and climate functions. A fully digital virtual Cockpit Plus displays performance data such as torque distribution, lap times, and G-forces. Ambient lighting with customizable colors adds a modern touch, while a premium Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system delivers an immersive audio experience. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and luxury materials, proving this SUV balances performance and comfort perfectly. Safety features. Even with extreme performance, safety remains a priority. The 2027 RS Q8 P900 comes equipped with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. A 360-degree camera system makes parking effortless despite its size. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection enhances city safety. Traffic sign recognition and driver attention monitoring add another layer of protection. Strong structural rigidity combined with multiple airbags ensures maximum occupant safety. The advanced Quattro system also improves traction in various weather conditions, keeping the vehicle stable and secure. Price. Now let's talk numbers. The standard RS Q8 already sits in the premium performance SUV segment, but the 2027 P900 edition will likely command a much higher price due to its extreme tuning and exclusive upgrades. Expected pricing could start around $180,000 and easily exceed $220,000 depending on customization and performance packages. Limited production numbers will also increase exclusivity, making it a rare and desirable machine for enthusiasts and collectors alike. The 2027 Audi RS Q8 P900 is not just an SUV, it's a statement. It combines luxury, technology, and supercar-level performance into one aggressive package. From its bold exterior design to its 900 horsepower engine and high-tech interior, this SUV dominates every category. If you love high-performance luxury SUVs and want to see more powerful machines like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Warrior 2025. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the RS Q8 P900 over other super SUVs? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.